Hello, Andy here and welcome to FlixMySwitchLASER. If you're new here, you're very welcome, and if you're returning, many thanks for your continued support. Well, those of you have seen my videos before, I think you understand that this is an educational channel. I think I explain problems that I see in Facebook groups. I answer questions via videos to help people, because not everyone can learn from a very long text document. It's far easier to make a video. Anyway, I've had a complaint. These videos, they do take a lot of time. One, you've got to plan them. Secondly, you've got to film them. Thirdly, you've got to edit them, and then you've got to publish them. What I really like seeing is feedback and comments and questions regarding the video, because then that's people taking an interest in the video and then asking more questions about it. When I get comments like this, and I put it on the screen now, it's no help to anybody. And this video is to help those people that may not know that you can slow or speed up YouTube videos. So yes, I'm having a bit of a rant, but again, this is an educational channel, so I'm showing people how to overcome the problems they're experiencing. Then once they've overcome the problem, then they can get more value from my videos. So sit back, relax, and those of you know already how to do it, then I'll see you in the next video. But if you don't know how to change the speed of a YouTube video, I'm going to show you right now. So here we are watching one of my videos. I just play at normal speed.
Because I had all my USB devices, so
Now if you're struggling to understand what I'm saying and you need it slower, just drop down here onto the menu on the cog icon and you'll see playback speed, and you can either select one of the menus here, or you can slide the slider and give it to any speed that you want. So let's try 75% speed.
Not the actual laser. So I've got a ESP chip.
So that could be a little bit too slow. So if you slide this here to
hopefully you won't get that
maybe 85%.
Okay, so now we've selected the COM port. We know our laser is
back to normal.
Hey, Andy from the future here. Sorry, I did forget to mention.
And if you're a real quick learner, you can go the other way. So you can go
is with my laptop off and my laser off. That's how I start.
1.5 times speed. And if you're got an extraordinary high IQ,
so you don't see the little
double speed.
Light up down to the bottom left-hand corner. So now we've honed the laser. So you can turn the laser on now. Let the boot screen appear and disappear, and then you can turn on.
So let's just pause that. So I hope now that everyone knows how to adjust settings, especially the speed on any YouTube videos. You can get better value from my videos. Anyway, that's Andy, as ever, wishing you a great afternoon. Continue to make some safe, happy smoke, and perhaps you'll join me in my next video. Cheers for now. Thank you for making it to the end of my videos, much appreciated. If you like what I'm doing and I've earned your trust and respect, perhaps you would consider subscribing. If you leave a comment, I will answer them as well. And if you give me a thumbs up, it will put a smile on my face. Perhaps you would like some of the videos popping up now. See you in the next one.